Greetings, welcome to Wealth Creation Investing Forex Division. My name is Forex Joe, and in this training session we're going to be talking about Forex Trading Made Simple, the Big Lights strategy versus Big Lights trader, and how it affects you. My name is Forex Joe. I am the lead analyst for Wealth Creation Forex. If you've never read our disclaimer or don't understand our disclaimer, please at this time stop this video and read this. We have it on all of our videos and all over our website, and please take a moment to stop the video and review this disclaimer. As we put up our good friend Skippy here, I'd like to share with everyone, as you continue in the Forex markets, you're going to have light bulb moments. I've been trading in the Forex markets since 2001. I love the fact that I only trade or have information on up to 22 currency pairs. I majority trade about 7 to 10 currency pairs, and I love trading money for money. For those of you that want to participate in the most liquid market on earth today, we're talking about the $4.7 trillion a day Forex markets. It runs from Sunday night all the way till Friday afternoon in the US. It's 24/7. And I'd like to talk a little bit about Forex Trading Made Simple using the Big Lights strategy versus Big Lights trader. I have trademarked this name. And the Big Lights strategy is thinking of a daily, weekly, and monthly chart, the three big dogs, and how you can participate as a swing position trader, having limited amount of trades that collect hundreds or even thousands of pips. Ladies and gentlemen, do you really grasp and fully understand the power of being able to successfully trade in this market? Most don't. Most are absolutely clueless and uneducated on the opportunity presented to participate. If you're willing to take back full responsibility for your financial choices now and for the future, then I'm here to tell you that in the 21st century, the Forex markets will create more new millionaires than any other business out there. You can build an account of substance with a chance of earning an upper echelon income. I can teach you to exactly how to pull major pips from the Forex markets consistently using my Wealth Creation Forex Trader products and my proprietary probability factor mathematical statistic and analysis concepts. If you understand simple numbers that we learned in the 5th, 6th, and 7th grade, then ladies and gentlemen, you can learn how to participate in the most liquid market on earth and understand how these ranges affect the Forex markets, and how when currency pairs get around certain areas, we have historical patterns that reoccur that go over and over and over again. You see, the Forex markets usually scare the bejeebers out of people. Why? Because they're inexperienced. Some people get into the Forex markets with unrealistic expectations, and then in turn they have a little bit of success early and they think that they've been fully trained. As a professional football player or professional basketball player, Michael Jordan had a coach even though he won 6 national championships. Tom Brady had a coach even though he's won 3 Super Bowls. I'm here to tell you that if you want to continue to evolve as a trader in ever-changing times, you need a coach to be successful. But instead of trying to figure out what it's going to cost you in the future, don't be part of the dumb money crowd. Invest in education right now, so when you start learning a vocation for life, figure out what it's going to be for the cost of education and how much money you can make from that education. You see, the Big Lights strategy versus Big Lights trader, I've spent the last decade of my life designing rules of engagement for any trading style used in the Forex markets. Scalping, day trading, swing, and position trader techniques that are simple to follow. Becoming a seasoned Big Lights trader transpires over the course of time, and my experience has proven that the Big Lights strategy has withstood the test of time, and it will continue because the Forex markets move using numbers. The Big Lights strategy produces positive pips on a consistent basis month after month, following trends and channels using a short-term daily, mid-term weekly, and long-term monthly charts. Now, there are 4 different types of trading styles, and we have rules of engagement for all trading styles. But your number one absolute goal is to learn how to become a swing position trader over time, where you spend less time in the markets and you have the key to identifying trading scenarios to take advantage of when setting your trades. The tools provided are geared towards my motto, keep it simple. If you're willing to keep it simple in the Forex markets, then you're going to be successful. Ladies and gentlemen, the Big Lights Strategy versus Big Lights Trader was developed by me in the early part of the first half of the 21st century by using unique opportunities from a various software that did not use candlesticks but used red and green lights. Being the type of person I am, coming from a math background in sports betting, I found that sports betting had the same analogy of using numbers as a sports bettor and then applying those numbers in the Forex markets. You see, success is not always easy, yet it is for the most part simple. Many times answers we seek are hidden in plain sight. Experience becomes the #1 ally for those wanting success in the markets, and repetition becomes the mother of skill. The more Big Light Strategy trades executed in live current market condition leads to the training of the subconscious mind, thus creating new habits. And during the process, we allow you to keep it simple. Those using my Big Light Traders versus Big Light Strategy, it becomes a matter of choice. But I can tell you that the success rate is huge for those that continue the quest. If you're humble enough to let your ego aside and accept that you will always be a student, then the journey to understanding the outline for success in any endeavor that you choose in life or choose to participate is easily traveled. Make learning to trade in the Forex market in 2013 and beyond your destiny. The greatest adventures always begin with a single step. Anyone, let me repeat, anyone has the ability to prosper using the Big Light Strategy, and some will learn quicker than others. If you're brand new to Forex, we definitely want you because you haven't been polluted from all the outside crap. I've been doing this for a decade, and I ask that you do one thing. Give the Forex markets your quality of attention participation one day at a time while we're keeping it simple, and you will, beyond a shadow of a doubt, learn how to replenish your retirement account, overcome the fact that you may have lost real estate, you've lost some of your retirement account. Some of you even need to look for where you can get a higher paying job. Start at the bottom of the barrel and learn to crawl before you walk, walk before you run, and run before you sprint. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is a marathon. Once you become a Forex student, you will stay a student. And I only use the student analogy because most people understand it. But let's not be sidetracked. The bottom line is that you want to learn how to generate one thing: profit. You see, trading money for money is as simple as it gets to being able to generate profit. If you do daily exercises and a little homework that we have, and you paper trade, and that's the concept that's unique, is that you can get a practice regimen account and trade using practice money, just like most people practice before they step onto a court or onto the field to play the game. You'll be able to learn to set aside time on a daily basis learning the Big Light Strategy. Now, hard work translates into having a plan and working the plan. You were born to win, to achieve, to excel, and to be one of the best of the best. That is everyone's birthright. Each of us we are free to shape and sculpt a magnificent lifetime of happiness, achievement, and accomplishment. Something really special, far beyond your current expectations, is about to happen to you. Can you feel your skin tingling? Can you feel the anticipation that you want to learn how to take back total control of your financial matters? Well, ladies and gentlemen, get excited today. Get excited right now about learning the Forex trading, executing trades in live market conditions. Trust me, there will be time to thank me down the road. But what I ask is that you continue to review the wealth creation investing videos, and you start checking out how you can get involved here at Wealth Creation Investing and becoming a Forex student. We live in very turbulent times, and the one thing that's great about this is that if the US dollar stops being the leading currency around the world, you'll be able, in a matter of seconds, move that money to another currency pair, whether it's the euro, the US yen, the Swiss franc, the British pound, and be able to prosper because there is always a currency pair strengthening and a currency pair weakening. If this intrigues you and you'd like to find out how you can be a vital part of continued success, go to our Wealth Creation website and see how you can get involved, or send us an email and let us know that you saw this video and that you want to participate. I want to thank you for taking time to attend this video webinar, and until next time, may all the pips be with you. My name is Forex Joe, and Godspeed.